Hi everyone, it's Susan from SusanAfter60.com. Recently I got to go to Florida for a few days for a little vacation, and a lot of you asked me to show you what I took with me on the trip. I was only gone for 5 days, so I didn't take anything other than my little carry-on bag that I got at TJ Maxx a couple of years ago, and my trusty tote bag, which is about 30 years old. It's from Coach, and I've been carrying it for that long, and it's still in pretty good shape. So these are all the things that I took with me, folded up into this bag. I wore the bulkiest thing, which would have been these loafers that are suede by Louis Vuitton. I wore a white tank top and a blazer and a scarf. So this blazer came in handy. It's navy, but I wore it with black as well as silver and white and denim. So it turned out to be a good choice. I also carried this over my arm. It's a jacket from White House Black Market in a burgundy sort of wine color, and this came in handy as well. So I had 2 pairs of pajamas. My favorite pajamas are from Miss Elaine. I get them at Belk, and they have a flannel back. It's a flannel back satin, so they work really well. I took a white tank top, 2 pairs of jeans, a denim shirt, a royal blue express shirt, a royal blue cotton cardigan from Lands' End, and 2 pairs of white jeans, a white sweater, another white blouse, and a silver tank top, a black pair of pants, the ones that I got at Stein Mart that have sort of an reptile print on them, and a black top from same one as the blue and white one, and a tank top that is dressier. It's layered. Can't remember where I got it, but you get the idea. And I took 2 different scarves. This is my ruby ribbon black swimsuit that I took with me, and of course I would never go anywhere without my Ultimate and my Tanky Shapeys bras, because they make everything look a whole lot better. Foundations are so important. So not that you're going to match exactly the pieces that I took with me on my trip, but if you'll notice, I took navy blue, royal blue, white, and black, and all of those can be mixed and matched. So all the pieces can be interchanged to make more outfits. So you don't have to take a whole lot of pieces as long as they all work together. I wore everything I took with me, so everything had a purpose. Let's see, what else did I? Oh, I took this little clutch bag, the one that I got last year in Blowing Rock, and it served a purpose as holding my makeup and that kind of, my little toiletries that I took with me. But then when I got there, I took all that out and just put my wallet in here and used it as a handbag several times. I took sunglasses and a hat, which came in handy. When the wind was blowing my hair, I just plopped that on and everything was solved. And I took a good book to read. Have read several Jane Karen books, and this is the most recent one that I read. So that's about it. I didn't take very many cosmetics, and I didn't take any expensive jewelry. Never travel with expensive jewelry, because if you lose it, or if it gets stolen or damaged by salt water or whatever, it won't be tremendous loss. So I just took some costume jewelry with me, and that's pretty much it. I hope that if you are going on a trip soon, that this video has been helpful to you. And thank you for watching. I'm Susan from SusanAfter60.com. Bye.